Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, September 10th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm going to remember today for a long time. Today is the best day that I've had in all of 2019. And I'll tell you, this has been a rough year, but it's kind of like everything started to come together from the first day of trading in September, and today it's just like things really popped. The statistics, yeah, we closed out $34,000 today in closed out trades. 34,000. We got into 13 new positions, 6 positive, 7 negative, but we're carrying over $13,000 in open trade. You know, that's getting close to a $50,000 day. I mean, unbelievable. Unbelievable. And the best day of 2019. So let's rejoice and be happy. I am certainly happy. The Dow, you can see the last 4 days, the Dow's been just kind of trucking along here pretty much sideways, although it had a nice move the last half hour today. And all this unbelievably good action we've been seeing in a sideways market tells me the obvious. This thing's going to break topside, and I mean, it's going to scream. It's going to scream. If it's not screaming already. Just something has happened with the stocks. I've been suffering all year with this business of having stocks open, you know, with their equity up, and then all the sellers come in and the profit takers. And it's just like we can't hold anything. And this script completely reversed, has completely reversed in the last 10 days or so. And now it's kind of like everything's moving higher. It's just great. At least the bar stocks, you know. I'm sure there are a lot of stocks that aren't doing this, but the ones I've picked, just doing fantastic. I'll show you 3 of those good ones, and I mean, these are really good. This first one is GPOR, which is Gulfport Energy Corporation. We had a lot of energy today, and it all did well. This Gulfport, we had bought this yesterday, right out of the gate. It closed positive and then did this beautiful upside move just for its exit. We're selling nearly the high of the day on that, and then you can see it sells off and actually goes negative for the day after we get out. But when we get out of that thing, we've taken $8,400 in profits out of Gulfport. It gets better. This is Overstock, and this is just unbelievable. We go back, we actually bought this last Thursday, the first time. We took a little profit there on Friday, and then we got re-entered on Friday. Didn't do anything for us after our re-entry. We held it over the weekend, and yesterday it jumps up and it just starts to scream. That kept us in the trade, and then this morning this thing opens lower, but then just screams for the first 45 minutes or so, and we get out there with a $10,000 profit in Overstock. And now it actually goes higher. I mean, we would have made more money if we'd hung on to it. That's what I'm talking about when I say this market has a totally different feel. You know, the sellers aren't coming in and selling this stuff. The buyers are coming in and bidding it higher. But this is our system, and we'll be happy with $10,000 in overstock. That's really nice. And then here's one that this is a new stock. I never even heard of this thing before. AKBA. It's Akebia Therapeutics. I'm probably murdering the pronunciation on that, but Akebia Therapeutics went crazy today. Yesterday we'd bought this thing about the second hour, didn't do anything by the close. Today it just screamed, and of course that keeps us in, but just look at this thing. Look at this thing. It just goes and goes and goes, and you know, anyway, we got $10,400 in open trade equity in Akebia Therapeutics. So we got two trades. Of these three trades, I'm giving you two of them. The total over $20,000, then an $8,000 trade thrown in, and that's like $29,000 in three trades. And then we got a bunch of other good ones too. Anyway, that's how we nearly had a $50,000 day today. Just fabulous. Hey, Trader Bob is happy, and I really think maybe the worm has turned here in our trading. We have not had a single bad day in September. I mean, a single losing day. I mean, we just keep making money every day. I know that's not going to last, but oh, does it feel good while it's going on. Anyway, that's the way it was. I'll be back here tomorrow, you bet, on Wednesday.